Good afternoon, Durham. I'm Rod Jenkins, Director of the Durham County Department of Public Health. This week, Governor Roy Cooper made two big announcements. Starting today, some COVID-19 safety measures will be relaxed or removed. Additionally, our last vaccination groups will be eligible to be vaccinated earlier than expected. Today's video will address these topics and provide more information about staying safe. On Monday, Governor Cooper announced that due to declining case rates, some restrictions on the number of people who can gather in certain locations have been eased or lifted effective 5 o'clock p.m. today. Before I state these changes, please note that all businesses are still required to maintain 6 feet of social distance between guests, and masks are still required. As of this update, museums, aquariums, retail businesses, salons, tattoo parlors, and other personal care and grooming businesses may now open to 100% capacity indoors and outdoors. Other establishments like restaurants, breweries, fitness centers, and recreation centers like bowling alleys may be open up to 75% capacity indoors and 100% outdoors. And finally, some establishments, including bars, lounges, sports arenas, and live performance venues, may open up to 50% indoors and outdoors. Aside from businesses, this order also raises the mass gathering limit to 50 people indoors and 100 people outdoors, and it eliminates the ban on alcohol sales after 11 p.m. For a full list of businesses and changes, visit ncdhhs.gov. Again, these changes do not change mask wearing requirements. You are still required to wear a mask and maintain 6 feet of social distance anytime you are in public around people who are not a part of your household. The governor's second big announcement this week allows people in the second half of Group 4 and people in Group 5 to be vaccinated earlier than previously announced. People in Group 4, Phase 2, will be eligible for vaccination beginning March 31st. This group includes frontline workers who weren't eligible in Group 3, as well as other people who live in group settings like dorms and fraternity or sorority houses. Group 5 will be eligible for vaccination beginning April 7th. Group 5 includes everyone who is old enough to receive a vaccine. To prepare for these new groups, we have opened our scheduling process to everyone. Visit the website shown on the screen to add your name and information to our scheduling list, but please take note of a few things. We are continuing to vaccinate at high numbers here at the health department, administering 500 or more vaccines every day this week. The demand remains extremely high. We will do all that we can to help you get your vaccines as soon as you are eligible, but Groups 4 and 5 are very large groups, so it is possible that we will not be able to provide your vaccine on the first day of your eligibility. We are continuing to schedule appointments in the order you have signed up, if you are eligible to be scheduled. Now that the second half of Group 4 is eligible to be vaccinated soon, on Monday of next week, we will begin scheduling appointments for those who have added their names to our scheduling list. We will begin scheduling appointments for Group 5 on Monday, April 5th. Please remember that here at the Health Department, we are administering both Moderna and Pfizer. This means that we are able to vaccinate 16 and 17-year-olds here and at our partner site at Southern High School. We have already been doing so for young people in Group 4. Be sure to indicate your correct age when adding your name to our scheduling list, and we will schedule a Pfizer vaccine for individuals under 18 years of age. Our online scheduling list continues to be our only tool for scheduling vaccine appointments here, but if a disability or limited internet access prevents you from signing up for this list for yourself, you may call us at 919-560-HELP, H-E-L-P. That's 919 560-4357, and we will add your name and information to the list. Don't forget, all vaccines are completely free to everyone, even if you don't have insurance. We are excited that more people will be eligible to be vaccinated sooner, and that case rates are trending down enough for restrictions to be eased across North Carolina. Please remember that this pandemic is not over. In order to keep case numbers headed in the right direction and allow the governor to continue to ease restrictions, it is absolutely critical that we continue to make safe choices. Keep wearing your masks, practice social distancing, and get your free COVID-19 vaccines as soon as possible. It's your time to take your spot and get your shot. We can do this, Durham.